In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Chrome extensions making thousands of dollars every single month that you could build yourself, including one that sold for $128,000 despite being created in someone's spare time. I'm going to break down how each business started, explain the numbers behind their growth and their revenue, and share practical ideas that you can use to launch your own business in 2025. And if you want to learn how to make money with AI, you can join The New Rich, where we show you how to grow a digital business powered by AI. So business 1 is Blackmagic.so. Blackmagic began in a fun way to celebrate hitting 1,000 followers by adding a progress bar to your Twitter profile picture. The extension expanded to include a sidebar that gave users detailed insights about their Twitter performance that the native platform didn't offer. Users could see who interacted with their tweets, track engagement metrics, save favorite tweets, and even analyze which tweets performed best. Their pricing model was incredibly simple at first, just $4 per month to customize the progress bar color. As they added more features, they created a tiered pricing structure that grew with their users' needs. The free plan offered basic analytics for the last 7 days and limited features. The personal plan at $10 per month included analytics for the last 28 days, top interactions tracking, and consistency analytics. The professional plan at $40 per month added real-time metrics, unlimited profiles, and advanced analytic features. The business plan at $149 per month included support for multiple Twitter accounts, custom reports, and priority support. This clear pricing strategy helped the tool grow from $322 to $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue in just 60 days. At its peak, this simple extension was making $14,000 per month, or roughly $160,000 each year. The creator grew the Chrome extension by building in public on Twitter, sharing features as they developed them, and inviting new users to try the beta versions for free. This strategy helped them gain 920 beta users who provided feedback and eventually converted into paying customers. Industry multiples had valued the business between $800,000 to $1.3 million before changes in Twitter's API forced a sale at $128,000. The story shows how a simple solution for visualizing follower growth can evolve into a 6-figure business. Business 2 is Weather Extension. Weather Extension was built to display current weather details right in your browser, bypassing clunky, ad-ridden websites. Frustrated with existing weather sites, the creator coded a solution in just a couple of nights. It does just one thing, but it does it extremely well, by delivering instant updates without any distractions. Initially, the extension was free and supported by donations via PayPal. Later, a premium version was introduced for $9.99 per month to unlock extra features. Now the extension serves over 200,000 users in 12 languages and brings in about $2,500 monthly or $30,000 annually. It's not much, but consider that the founder coded it in a couple of nights and it's quite impressive. The website attracts about 44,000 visits every month, ensuring a steady stream of new conversions. I guess that if they wanted to, they could monetize their users a lot more effectively. A Lifehacker article once drove 10,000 new users in just 1 week, and referral offers like free pro upgrades kept marketing costs low. With monthly server costs of just $100, profit margins remain healthy. Industry standards value this straightforward tool between $90,000 to $100,000. This example proves that just a couple of nights of coding on a specific problem can build a simple but profitable little business. Business 3 is Browserless. Browserless is a tool that lets developers run Chrome in a headless mode, meaning without a visible window, which is ideal for tasks like taking screenshots, creating PDFs, or scraping data. The idea came when the creator, while working on a wishlist app, needed to extract product details from complex sites like Target. He couldn't find an existing solution, so he built his own service, calling it Chrome as a Service. This tool handles the tricky setup and maintenance costs of Chrome, saving developers plenty of time. It took just 2 months to build the first version, even as the creator worked a full-time job. The first month's infrastructure cost only $50, though today those costs are in the 5 figures. Their pricing model scales with usage to accommodate businesses of all sizes. The free plan includes 1,000 units and 1 concurrent browser. The starter plan costs $140 per month, billed annually, with 180,000 units and 10 concurrent browsers. The enterprise plan offers custom pricing for large-scale operations. Today, Browserless earns about $160,000 per month and around $2 million annually. With over 100,000 monthly website visitors, it attracts a steady stream of developers looking for solutions. Current industry standards might value this platform between $10 million to $16 million. Built as a side project over 3 years, Browserless eventually matched full-time income, showing that launching quickly and iterating based off feedback really pays off. The creator's advice is simple: get your product to market fast, then improve it as your users start paying. So what ideas can you take from these simple examples to start something for yourself in 2025? There's a few clear patterns we can see. Number 1 is solve a specific pain point. Each successful extension addresses one specific problem really well. Think about the daily frustrations you face whilst browsing on the internet. Number 2 is start simple. Your first version doesn't need every single feature. Blackmagic started as just a profile progress bar before becoming a comprehensive analytics suite. Number 3 is use AI to accelerate development. In 2025, you can use AI coding assistants to help you write much of your extension code. Number 4 is test with a free tier. All 3 extensions started with free versions to build the user base before introducing those premium features. Number 5 is focus on a niche audience. Target a specific group of users with a particular need, like Browserless did with developers. All 3 success stories show that even basic tools, when built to solve a real problem, can grow into profitable businesses. Okay, let me know if you've got any comments or questions down below. And if you do want to build your own $1 million business powered by AI, then you can visit thenewrich.com. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the fastest way to make money with AI, you can join our free Telegram channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.